Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to whitelist an IP address in Salesforce. First, from your Salesforce dashboard, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. Next, in the Quick Find box, type Network Access and select it from the options that appear. This is where you manage trusted IP ranges. Click the New button to add a new IP range. Enter the start IP address and end IP address for the range you want to whitelist. If you're adding a single IP, use the same address for both fields. You can also add a description to identify the IP range later. Once you've entered the details, click Save. Your IP address range is now whitelisted and can access Salesforce without security blocks. Remember, whitelisting an IP does not affect other security settings, and only trusted IPs will bypass verification. And that's it. You've successfully whitelisted an IP address in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.